In 2000, a young woman named Mlala Yousafzai became an advocate for women's rights and education in Pakistan. At the age of 11, she started speaking out against Taliban, who banned girls from attending schools in her region. She wrote a blog to BBC detailing her experience and advocating for women's rights for education. Despite the death threats from Taliban, she continued to speak and advocate for women's rights for education and women's rights to attend schools. In 2011, she was targeted by Taliban. She was shot in the head, but she miraculously survived that shot. After that, she became a stronger advocate for women's rights for education. Then in 2014, something quite surprising happened to her. She became the youngest Nobel Prize recipient for recognizing her work in promoting education and advocating for women's rights in the region and around the world. The moral lesson from Malala's story is the power of education for empowering women and change. Despite facing incredible adversity and risking her life and her family's life, she continued to advocate for women empowerment and change around the world. Malala never gave up on her mission to advocate for women's rights, for education, and for learning. Actually, her story is a great reminder to stand up for what you believe in, no matter how risky it is, because it's worth it. And based on her story, even the smallest voices can make huge change in the world. Thank you very much.